I watched it on Pinterest and thought of trying it out. We printed out a template of this deer on a printer from 6 sheets of paper and glued them together. Now this template will need to be cut using scissors. After we cut out the template, it will need to be transferred to a sheet of cardboard. The cardboard is preferably tighter. We still have such a deer template, by the way. You can use it to draw, say, New Year's deer on glass. Next, cut a strip of about 44.5 centimeters from the cardboard. The direction of the cardboard goes like this, that is, you see. Later, so that he might yield better. So we roll up this snail so that it is soft, and now with the help of a glue gun, we use a battery gun, we glue this part like this. This is the first strip we have finished. Here is the preliminary result. So we glue 2 strips.
That's my cue.
All irregularities can be straightened with your fingers. That is, you form already even lines so that they are not twisted. Cardboard is generally good. This will not be difficult to do. The next moment they stayed here, we have all sorts of unglues, as Abloy would call it. That is, everything is also trimmed carefully with a sharp knife. That is, everything. If you want it to look beautiful, then it can be cut. If there's excess glue, or if you went beyond the template, adjust accordingly. Then we painted the inside with red paint to create depth. After painting the inner layer like this, we already got a cute deer, and now we will paint the outer side matte black paint.
Make it clear for me. I need you to keep it real with me. I'm on your mind. I'm ready to pull up on you and show you I want you. Boy, you just
Duck. After painting, we got a deer like this, and so on. He and I continue to work. Next, inside the deer, we will place such a garland. It is also called a garland of dew.
or just holding on to memories and the way you used to make me crazy. Oh, I can't seem to shake it. I need you here with me naked. Oh, but boy, don't have me waiting. 'Cause if I have to ask, then I probably already got my answer. But before I commit relationship suicide, tell me a little, reading in between the lines a little. Tell me if we lost the vibe a little. Let's go. Boy, that's right. Tell me I'm the one, I'm the only one. Something's gotta budge, type of time you want. Tell me I'm the one or I'm up and gone. Yeah, touching on my body like nobody does. We lock and key every time we link up. Put some pressure on so I know you're mine. 'Cause if I have to ask you one more time.
After we wrap the deer with string, and now these joints can be bandaged, or you can fix them with super glue, that is, so that the string does not fly off later, that is, make a drop like this. so that it sticks right away.
To the body and to each other.
Avoid touching the corners, just leave glue drops where necessary.
To keep it from moving out?
So here he is a ready deer. That is in principle nothing complicated, I think, to repeat. Every single one can. To be honest, I'll say that we did it together because 2 hands were missing, which is not enough. That is, we did it with 4 hands.